Polyester. Imported. Camping chair combines a cOuncey design with a convenient built-in cooler. Roomy 24 inches seat. Built-in fork and cooler pouch keeps cold drinks within reach. Fully cushioned seat and back provides support and comfort. Mesh cup holder and side pocket for quick access to personal items. Collapsible, folding design is easy to store and transport. Roomy 24 inches seat. Comfortable 18.1 in sitting height. Supports up to 325 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Durable chair. I've bought one of this from different makers and seller before, and it collapsed when I sat on it one time. I hurt myself on the floor, and I weighed only 118 pounds. I was so disappointed and hoping to find one better quality. This chair is much heavier than the one I had before and durable. I can tell as soon as I saw it, and it holds drinks in a pocket for keeps drinks cold. I used for sit outside of my condo when I smoke and put the ashtray in the cup holder and cigarettes in the pocket. It works good for me and very happy with it. It's been about a year now, no complaints. Highly recommended this chair.